Hey guys, today I'm making a fish pie. Wash and cut your potatoes and add them into a pot. Then add in some water and some salt. Boil them till soft, then strain and add in your butter and some salt and pepper. Mash them till they're completely smooth. Then add in the milk and mix it in well. Set the mash aside till needed. In a pan on high heat, add in the butter and oil and allow the butter to melt slightly. Then add in the onion and mix well. Then add in the garlic, ground chili, pepper, and corn. Mix everything together and allow it to cook covered for about 2 minutes. Give it a mix and add in the fish. I'm using hake medallions that I've just cut into quarters. Add in some salt and some pepper. Mix it very lightly and allow it to cook covered for about 5 minutes undisturbed. When the fish is done cooking, give it a mix and add in the flour. Mix it in well, allowing it a few seconds to cook. Then add in a little bit of the cream and mix. And then the remainder of the cream. Mix everything together and allow it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the filling into an oven-safe dish. And spread out the fish as evenly as you can. Add dollops of the mash over top. Then use a fork to spread it out evenly and to make a very rough pattern on top. Sprinkle on some chili flakes, and this part is optional. You could also use cayenne pepper or paprika, or leave it out altogether. Place it in the oven till the top is golden brown, and it's ready to serve. Serve it as is or with your choice of bread rolls. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!